Welcome back to Rachel B. The Healthy We. Today we're going to be making spaghetti pie. You're going to be using one package or 10 ounces of cooked spaghetti. I broke mine in half so it's not quite as long, and I used yellow lentil. You can use whatever you want. A third of a cup of Parmesan, 2 eggs, about a little over 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella cheese. This is a mixture of ricotta and cottage cheese, 50-50, as well as salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic, and then all the flecks are an Italian blend, which is about a tablespoon of salt and pepper to taste. This is going to be half beef and half Italian sausage. I used about a half pound of each. You're going to cook and drain that, and a little bit over a cup, about 1.25 cups of spaghetti sauce. So let's go ahead and get started. So with the noodles that are cooked and drained, we are going to add in the Parmesan, which is why you want the crumbly kind, not a higher end. Then we're going to crack our 2 eggs. And give it a mix. I have a pre-buttered 9-inch glass baking dish, and we're basically going to use it like it's the pie crust. You can also use a springform pan, which is a little bit deeper if you want to do a little bit of a deep dish. Now that this is lined, and I used most of it but not all of it, and that's fine, I'm going to do a layer of our ricotta. And depending on how cheesy you do it or don't want, you can put another small layer of this, or we can just put the cheese on. I put a little bit. Alright, now we're going to bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So this is what it looks like when it's baked for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. I cut a slice, and we'll go ahead and pull one out. Of course, a pie slicer would be easier, but there we go. Spaghetti pie. If you ask me, it's a little bit of a mixture of lasagna slash spaghetti pie. Hope you give it a try. It's yummy and the kids will enjoy. And thanks for watching.